The 2015 Cayman. The design of the Cayman models is benefiting of their distinctive sporty character. Their performance potential is obvious at first sight, for these are true specimens of force and athleticism. Individual styling features help to define the Cayman so impressively. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, keyless entry, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, bucket seats, fog lamps, MP3 player, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.